Hey Karen, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over will be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content, and I do have your Facebook page here, and Facebook is a very powerful tool. There is no doubt about it. But typically the first place that people are going to go when they're looking for really anything is going to be Google. And when they get their search results, they usually want to have a website to click on so they can learn more about your company and the services that you're offering. So just in the interest of speaking about content, I did pull up one of the competitor sites here. And content's going to be considered anything you can see. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what the pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see about 1,500 words on the home page of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you all the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So my suggestion, if it's not something that's already in the works for you all, would definitely be to get a website. Not only does it serve as like a digital business card for you, but it really is the first step in getting ranked on Google and really the first step in having an online presence for your business as a whole. So with that being said, we will go back to the search results and we'll move on to the next thing that we'll talk about, which will be citations. And citations have a lot to do with this section. This is called the map pack. And a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those kinds of details. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here. So next thing we'll talk about will be backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site. And it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work with someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other contractors, other home renovation companies, other construction companies, really anything within your industry. And you want them to send something back to your site, and that is going to signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful, but also more unique in Google's eyes as well. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. And this is for the website that we did just look at. So currently that site is registering 177 referring domains, which are giving them 810 backlinks, getting them found for 311 keywords. And all of these things are driving about 197 people to their site per month. So let's take a look at the keywords that they're using, and hopefully I can give you some examples of good ones. So right off the top, this would be a great one, home remodeling Raleigh, NC. So this is a great one because it's listing the service or industry, but then it's also listing the specific location this company is trying to target. Home renovation, Raleigh, NC, home improvement, Raleigh, NC. So as you can see, these are all three great keywords, and it shows pretty much that you can use variations of the same word or phrase, and it's still going to count as a whole new keyword. So they used remodeling, renovation, improvement. So that's great. And now they have three keywords because of that. And with the keywords, you can target multiple different locations, but you just want to make sure that you're sticking to your service area. That way, when someone comes across you in the search results, they're still able to use you because you're close enough to them and you do service that area. So I will not bore you and have us go through all of these, but I do hope it at least gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into content if and when you do decide to get a website. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as I mentioned earlier, also making sure that you're always adding on to that. That way you are far surpassing your competitors, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Karen. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you would like more information about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thank you again for your time, and you have a great rest of your day.